Like bees to honey, we are drawn to icy, fruity, thirst-quenching summer drinks. And for the best of summer sips, we turn to Best of State caterer, our friend Mary Crafts Homer. So what should we know out of the gate about serving drinks in the hot summer season?
Well, first of all, you want them to not be too sweet. You want them to quench the thirst, not make you more thirsty. And always have a decanter full of just simply ice water.
Plain H2O.
Don't forget that ever.
All right,
but in the meantime, we're going to be a little bit more creative.
We're going to have
Don't
fun.
just open the Crystal Light and say, there we go. Okay, this one I brought my mother's my grandmother's vintage pitcher and glasses because this is a vintage drink.
What are we making?
This is SWITZEL.
What is that?
SWITZEL is any drink that's made with vinegar.
Oh.
And vinegar, we're going to use vinegar in 2 of these drinks because it's the most thirst quenching of all the ingredients.
Oh, really?
Way more than lemon. And so, first let me say that all these recipes are online. You can find them. This is the berry basil SWITZEL. Then you'll see each one of them are online.
Great.
I don't have to go over all that right now.
Great.
So this is an infusion made with fresh basil and strawberries and vinegar. And then you just let this set in the fridge. And then you add some honey later on, shake it up, and it's in there for whenever you want to get it out and make a pitcher full.
Lovely.
So then I just take this, and I fill up the pitcher about...
Look at that gorgeous vessel.
About like that.
Yeah, okay, and?
Then the only thing you're going to do at this point is add the club soda, okay?
This is fun. I don't have a shooter like that at home. I just have a can of club soda. Will
I
that
have
work?
to say most people just have it. But this is really fun. This just makes seltzer water.
Okay.
And so super fun and super easy.
All right.
To have something impressive like that.
My mouth is watering already.
And into the glass it goes.
There is our berry SWITZEL.
SWITZEL.
Kind of fun to say, really fun to drink.
And you can garnish it as you go along.
Okay.
Little basil, little strawberry.
Lovely.
Voila.
Drink number 2, you've got a peach flavor for us.
This is a peach SHRUB, and it's also made with vinegar. However, when it's a SHRUB, it's usually alcohol. When it's not, it's SWITZEL.
Okay.
So, but any of these can be made with alcohol. Any of them can be made without alcohol. So that just depends on your own personal preference.
Sure.
You'll see this. I love to make these ahead of time and just store these in my fridge. And when someone comes over, it's easy just to pop open your mason jar and throw that in there.
What's in there?
So this is just a combination of fresh peaches, sugar, water. That's it.
And that's all the flavor you need. Then you add the liquid on top.
And then you add a little bit of honey. I mean, a little bit of vinegar.
Okay.
That's what makes it a SHRUB.
Okay.
And so then, if you're a drinker to this basis, you're going to just pour in whatever, amount of alcohol that you want to have.
Drink of choice.
Yeah. But if you're not, you can just leave it right out. Okay.
Awesome. Oh, it's beautiful.
And then, let's pick it. Good thing we put a little bowl under that.
Look at you. You were almost ready for that. I was going to ask about kind of the table aesthetic of it. What do you do to kind of prevent the drips in the space?
Yeah, well, I always make sure I put a container underneath the spigot because inevitably you are going to get spills and those kind of things.
Sure, sure.
And this is obviously just club soda. You can buy this at any grocery store. What you're doing is making a base ahead of time.
Okay.
And then at the party time, all you have to do is add your sparkle.
All right.
You can add it from a SWITZEL, you can add it from that great seltzer water dispenser, or you can add it from just things of club soda. And as you can see, we're not going to spend time putting the rest of these in here, but it would make this absolutely gorgeous drink. You could serve it in a mug. You could add some lime wedges to this.
I love the fruit kind of exposed, pushed to the edge of the glass like that.
And then let people serve themselves out of here, just like that.
A minute left. Give us 2 more quickly.
Okay, this is the the lavender lemonade. My favorite part of this is this. This is a dried lemon wheel with a little ginger juice and the little lavender buds on it.
Okay.
So easy just to drop in here.
Oh, look at that.
The recipes are online for all of these.
Nice.
I love this one because you just make a little sachet and drop it in your lemon juice, water, and sugar and let it sit overnight. And it makes lavender lemonade. Voila. Perfect.
Look at that.
Yeah.
May I?
Yes, you may.
Cheers to you. One more. Give us this final
This one I just discovered. Okay, you're going to start with putting fresh flowers in here. You're going to put lots of fruit in here.
Fresh flowers, fruit.
You're going to put herbs in here. Just fill this thing up with everything you've got.
Beautiful.
Whoops, that's upside down.
That is so cool. The way
And
it's-
then, whenever you have leftover fruit at your house, just throw it into a mason jar with a little sugar water.
Okay.
And let it sit in the fridge. It will preserve, okay? And then it intensifies in its flavor. So,
Delicious.
at any point in time, you can
hit it with some sparkling water.
All you're going to do then is hit it with either the seltzer water or the club soda.
All right.
And voila, again, it's called preserved fruit.
Mary,
Spritzer.
cheers to you. If people need catering help, how can they get in touch with your company?
Culinary Crafts, even though I'm not going to be there, it's still a great thing.
It is. It is. Cheers.
Thanks so much.
We love you. Thank you.